whole city to chaos,
may not have been.
That puts you to some rights.
Mr. Kamal Mitra Chenoy, don't take this badly. As I said, I have tremendous regard for you as an academic. But as far as Arvind Kejriwal
We all do. We all do.
Listen, Arnab, if we are criticized for something we have done, we will listen to it and bear it in mind and go over it.
Sir, I'll just tell you.
Welcome criticism.
Sir, I'll tell you one thing.
That is not the gene of your party. I'm sorry. The moment you are criticized, you start calling people names.
I will apologize.
But inside the party, things are changing. Many people have joined the party. We have 1.5 crore members. We have to now organize. But there was no attempt to form a government this morning.
Please don't do it at the expense of the country.
Arithmetic would not allow it. The numbers are not there.
Please don't do it at the expense of the country or the city.
Arnab, can I just cut in for a moment?
Yes, Mr. Sundaram.
Whatever you're going to do with
Mr. Sundaram has something to ask. Mr. Sundaram.
Let's get one thing very clear. Can I just have a word in, please? Let's get something very clear. We have these very grandeur comparisons of Mr. Kejriwal with Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar, etc. But let's get one thing right. That when a fight was on for independence, it was against some other person who was wrongly occupying your country. The problem today is that this protest of Mr. Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party at the time, when they were protesting against corruption, etc., was very well founded. But then, neither Mahatma Gandhi or Dr. Ambedkar became the government. Mahatma Gandhi didn't even come close to coming for an election or becoming part of government. They didn't become part of government and then sit in dharnas against the government. I mean, this is ridiculous. What are we saying, that we cannot govern?
But sir, others did.
In which case, please be protesters,
other
don't be a
congressmen
political
and
party.
others did.
This is
a new kind of political party. Some things that
other
we tried don't
when
come
they
off,
were in government,
but we are trying to bring in a new kind of
they
politics.
worked politically to change anything.
You see what's happening, Mr.
Either
Chenoy.
be in politics or be revolutionary. You can't be revolutionary in politics and try to govern a place and then protest through dharnas against the government.
Mr. Chenoy, I just want to come in here.
It's a complete oxymoron.
No, I'll come in here with what has happened so we understand the seriousness of it. By the way, let me just, Kejriwal's lawyers today claim the Aam Aadmi Party is not claiming special treatment. They say they are willing to file an undertaking, say will they attend all court proceedings, etc., but they will not furnish a bail bond. The magistrate said...
Undertaking is not what the law requires.
No, one sec. I just want to come. The magistrate...
is not what the law requires. The law requires a bond to be furnished.
No, 1 second. Let me complete.
And in this case, the court said no surety.
No. So 1 second. So 1 second, please. So the magistrate says that how can you behave like you want special treatment? You claim to be Aam Aadmi Party, but you want special treatment. So by refusing to furnish the bail bond despite the magistrate's insistence, do you realize, Satyanath Sarangi, you know the law, the Aam Aadmi Party wants to convert this to a political stunt. And I will just say one more sentence. As a result, what happens?
Okay, can I...
No, 1 second. I'm not saying you're the villain of Indian politics. I'm not saying you're the hero of Indian politics. But I'm very sorry to use an analogy today, you are the stuntman of Indian politics. And most stuntmen eventually will not be noticed or written about. Do you realize you are just the stuntman of Indian politics, Mr. Satyanath Sarangi? You are clutching on to that stuntman status and you're refusing to actually play a serious role which you could have. Mr. Sarangi.
I think you're forgetting something.
And you are political desperados on top of it. And the lust for power is beginning to show.
Arnab, they want to have their cake and they want to eat it too. They want to have anarchism, they want to have revolution, and they want governance, none of which they are being able to achieve in any gamut excepting for anarchism.
Where was the anarchism?
What I'm saying
anarchism is a widespread societal phenomenon.
That's what Mr. Kejriwal said, by the way. The word was used by him. I'm only expounding on the same statement.
Gandhi also used the word mockingly to the British.
Oh, please, let us please stop this.
Gandhiji never said, let me stay in the PM house.
People who wanted the national struggle should study it.
It's getting ridiculous.
No, 1 second. I think these comparisons...
Can I just get into the spirit instead of keep on repeating what the law is and what the bail bond is?
No, you don't believe in the law. First of all, tell me, you don't believe in the law. No, no,
What do
Mr.
you want?
Sarangi.
You think the law should not be repeated?
Mr.
People
Sarangi,
like should
you are
be
an
taught what
Indian
the
in
law is
India.
supposed to
These are
do.
Indian
The law
laws.
applies across board. Law applies
What I'm
across
saying
board.
is,
And this was a
what is
Supreme
the-
Court.
Some
Why should
criticism
Mr.
can be
Kejriwal
made
think he can
and
put up his
action
thumbs up
within
and say,
the
"I will
law
not comply with
is
the law."
valid.
If you don't let me speak, how will I ever say anything?
No, you can say something,
I'm
but
trying to say is,
you
look at
seem
the
to be
spirit
unsure of
of
your
the law
position
that
quite clearly,
requires-
Mr. Sarangi. Today, I have seen you as an activist talking about subjects you believe in. It is apparent to me today, Mr. Sarangi, that you don't completely believe in what this party you support is doing. It is self-evident
Can I
today,
at least
Mr.
state
Sarangi.
what I believe in? Can I
Yes.
state my belief in this matter? What I'm saying is, look at the spirit of the bail bond instead of just looking at
Spirit?
it as a piece of paper.
Yes, a
with some-
spirit.
What
You
I'm
paid a
saying
bail
is
bond.
The bail
You
bond.
paid a bail bond for 14 of your
Academic
leaders on the
discussion.
7th of
The
March.
spirit.
Every
Where was your
ordinary
spirit
citizen
then?
who is
The-
brought into court will say, look at the...
No. Where was your spirit then?
Every ordinary citizen should say this.
You pay 15,000 rupees for 14 leaders
What is
who were
every
doing all
ordinary
that drama
person going to
outside the BJP office. Your spirit is different in the 7th of March and your spirit changes
Okay,
after
or
this
no.
loss. What is the spirit? Where was your
no.
spirit 2 months back?
No money was paid. A bond was
Are
Honestly,
Baba, I'm telling you
honestly,
it was.
do you believe?
A bond
Do
is
you
only
believe
furnished, sir.
that
You know that.
Arvind? Do you believe that Arvind would run away to some foreign country or disappear somewhere
That
or
is not
go
the question.
underground?
It's not a question of
you
your
want to
challenge.
make-
That's not the
law. The law is the law, please.
What I'm
Mr. Sarangi,
saying,
that is not the
law is the law,
cannot
and
be
the
different
law
for
says
Arvind.
all the law wants is to
Or
ensure
Sanjay or some
that the
Kejriwal, I'm sorry.
person presents himself or herself in court, right?
No, the
And
law says
Arvind was saying,
you furnish a personal bail bond of 10,000 rupees.
to what end? To what end? To ensure
It
that
doesn't
you
matter to what
make
end or not
yourself
end.
present.
You can't keep questioning everything
Okay,
and say you're
to
going
what
to have a
end?
different
Then you
system.
say,
What
okay,
is
then
so
you are...
special about Arvind
Please.
Kejriwal that he should be treated as beyond the law? As
No.
above the law, I'm
Or
sorry.
you can't question
To what end?
what
Why
all
should he be
that
treated
is.
like any other?
That is what I'm
Not-
saying.
Not treated like any other
Abiding
citizen.
by the
I'm
law.
sorry to say
That's
this.
why he's in
Mr. Thakur,
jail.
What
where
kind
has
of
Arvind
logic
said
is
that?
this?
Well,
What kind of logic is this?
No, you are implying a logic to Arvind that he wants to be above the law.
No.
Well, where is the evidence for this?
Well,
It's
the
not
evidence
above
is
the
this.
law. It is because
That is what Mr.
because
Sarangi
he
is
is abiding
saying.
by the law that he
Dr.
says.
Chinoy.
All
I
right,
will
all right. We'll
furnish
take a discussion
personal
forward.
bond.
But one second. I'll take a break. First of all, today, Mr. Kamal Mitra Chinoy says, where is the law being broken? Okay, law is not being broken, but what is that drama going on outside Tihar jail? What is that drama? What great...
Well, politics
what
always
great
has drama.
Politics. Oh, then you admit it's politics. Or politics is about drama. Great. This is incredible.
Of course, there's politics.
Only
We are
tamasha.
not a religious
It's only
organization.
tamasha.
You're revealing yourself, sir. You're revealing yourself.
organization,
That's all
where
I'll
is
say.
the question of
I
religious
just
and
want to
non-religious
quickly
organization?
update to our viewers from Niranjan. I want to go across to our news desk for a quick update. Politics is not religion, and all these kind of statements being made by the Aam Aadmi Party supporter here in the studio. This is going to get controversial.